Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are making soft and crunchy chin chin. So in a bowl we are going to add flour. I've sieved the flour down, so I'm just putting, please don't forget to sieve your flour. I'm making a whole lot of chin chin. I'm making for my family, so that is why the flour is up to 6 cups. So in this video I'm using 6 cups of flour. So I'm going to add butter. Measurements will be in the description box. Please don't forget to like the video. Thank you. We're going to add sugar so that the chin chin will be sweet. And you can alter this sugar measurement according to your own taste. Then we'll add nutmeg for us to have a flavorful chin chin. Then we add salt. It adds to the taste. Then beat the egg. Pour it into the mixture we have. And this is all the ingredients we're using for the chin chin, and it came out really soft and crunchy. Then we add water. Then we mix everything together to make it dough. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. It helps grow the channel. Thank you so much. So this is where the work begins. We just knead. It needed more water, so I'm adding it. So we're going to knead the dough. So the first time I ever ate chin chin, I was like, why is this chin chin so hard? Like, why is it this hard? I actually did not like chin chin because it was really hard. I don't know what they added to the chin chin that made it so hard. So it's like, why not make my own and make it soft? And this is me making my chin chin quite soft. So like, I find it hard to actually buy chin chin outside because it's usually very hard for me. How do you like your chin chin? Do you like it hard or soft? So this is the dough. So we're going to flour the surface, add our dough to the surface. Why we flour this, so that it will not stick to the surface. Then we separate the dough into 2 parts. Then we roll out the dough. You roll the dough till it's flat using a rolling pin. Then you cut into desired style, desired shape, desired size. It's your own personal preference. Whatever you want your chin chin to look like, that's what it's going to look like. Please don't forget to like this video. Thank you. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel chin chin is one of the best snacks that ever came out from Nigeria. So this is me cutting the dough into square shape. So you are going to fry your dough in hot oil for about 3 minutes. You fry it till it's golden brown, and this is how it should look: soft and crunchy chin chin. So you are going to pack your chin chin from the hot oil into a sieve so that the excess oil will come out. And this is the chin chin, soft and crunchy. Thank you for watching.